Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. We're going to be doing a product review on this LG Signature refrigerator right here. Model number is going to be LUPXC2386N. It's LG Signature, so the first really cool feature about this is this door-in-door. You can knock on the glass and it will light up and show you everything that's on the inside. You can also knock again and it will turn that off. Right behind there is a handle, so you can get your easy access to whatever it is that you need. You know, you can put gallon milk jugs or whatever you want, orange juice, small snacks for your kids. That's a really great place for things like that to go. You got your water filter right here, measured to fill, so you can fill it up to 16 ounces, 32, 8 ounces, or 4 ounces. Crushed ice or cubed ice, all those options as well are there for you too. You've got a freezer down below. The drawers do pull forward automatically on both sides, and you've got easy access. Kind of a smaller freezer, not a lot of room or a lot of space. If you do require a lot of space, I wouldn't recommend this model. One kind of cool party trick about this fridge is it does have an automatic door. Let's hope this works. If you put your foot where the light is, the door should hopefully pop open. Pretty nifty. Open it up. Take a look on the inside. You've got a fresh filter right here. That's what you can replace your air filter. Obviously that's going to promote longevity with your groceries, with your fresh produce, all that kind of stuff. No collapsible shelf in here, which I feel like is a miss, just because if you do want anything to stack that's a little taller, like wine glasses or anything like that, it isn't good for that kind of space. Got an additional drawer in here, you know, for deli meats and cheeses and all that kind of stuff. We also have additional space in here as well that kind of just clicks back here. If anything spills, you can take that out, wipe it down, place it right back in. Let's see if these drawers are soft closing or not. Yeah, they are, so that's another really nice added benefit. The custom chill there. You can adjust the produce, deli, or meats, and you can select between the 3 options as well. Do have a slim ice maker. The problem with this, that's just not a lot of space for ice. It's going to get you to about 10 pounds of ice in there, so maybe, and there's no additional room for a second ice maker either, which is kind of a pain in the ass too. Yeah, so this is the LG Signature. It's a little bit temperamental with opening up the drawer and the door and things and the glass, and there's obviously things that can break, but it's really fancy, really fun, some really cool party pieces in there that you can use and show for your friends. Definitely check out all the specs on this on our website, ApplianceFactory.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's all I have for you, so thanks for watching.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.